Go.
I worked in an insurance company for 10 years. That time, I experienced suicide. Pero nobody could help me. I decided to resign because I needed to pursue my goals, and I wanted a job na na-unleash yung leadership responsibility. For months, one day, may tumawag sa akin yung present company. After that, ang nagagawa ko naghahanap sila para makakilala ng company. And she told me ako. Because of that recruiter, I was hired, and I was given the privilege to handle people and to work hand in hand with the vice president of the company. Even though I worked, God right now, I am handling trouble in most of cases. But God answered my prayer, opening the door to the ministry of Christ. Right now, meron na kami cellphone and nagsasama ka na lang ng mga office mates ko sa Facebook. God is faithful even to my family. Determinate ang papa ko. He was 3 years old. That time, hindi mo lang ito para mapasal ko.